Hi guys, my name is Shabaz and you start watching my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, we are back with latest bridal blouse designs. Okay, so now we are start to making these blouse designs paper, and this is not a normal paper, and this is a butter paper. It's called butter paper, and I think it's available on online stores. Okay, and this machine called tracing machine, it's very unique, and this machine is a very useful for who want to make own blouse designs and own design paper. Okay, and very unique. You just need to learn some tips and tricks about drawing, and if you know some drawing tips and tricks, so it's this is machine very useful for you. Okay, just drawing on the paper, then trace with these machines. Look at this, we are making my all designs same like this. Okay, and with this machine. So let's move with another work. So now we are start to printing back neck line, because we are not printing now full design. We are just printing one back line, because this is not a pot shape. This is some little bit different in this back neck. So now we are just printing back line for outline, because when we are start a big project like these blouse designs, so first we are stitching one outline, exact outline which is show a back neck shape. So look at this, this is a back neck line, and first we are doing this line, then we are start main work. Okay, and these blouse designs have a back, have lots of work, and sleeves have just one border, and also front neck is a one just border. And these blouse designs we are making with princess cut shape, and lots of blouse designs previous we are making cross cutting, but I think princess cut was a best option as per my choice. Okay, look at this, these are different type of material, and right we are using this material in a first time, because this blouse design is a sample design. It's not for any family members or any customers. It's just for your information, and just for your teaching quality, improve your quality, because when we are showing some new work, you also learn some new work. Okay, look at this, this is a very different shape of a big zardozi. It's a very different, and also it's very expensive. Look at this, same as we are using a 7 number wooden needle. It's not a different needle, it's also 7 number wooden needle. Just we are filling one time in a one needle, then we are start to stitching. So now we are printing these blouse designs on the sleeves. Look at this, and sleeves have a just a 2.5 inches border in the downside, and some booties top of the sleeves. Look at this booty is a very unique, and also we are using this all material is all unique, like multi moti or multi tiki, and French knots, silk thread, 3 number moti stone chain, and many more things, because this is a grand blouse designs, and also this blouse taking maximum 2.5 days. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some work on the front neck. Look at this, you seen my previous video, we are making cross neck in the front neck, but in this blouse designs we are making princess cut, because princess cut is a very a good fitting, I think, as per my choice. Okay, look at this, now we are using 7 number wooden needle and stitching one sugar beads line, and now we are printing the all of design on the back neck. Look at this, and back neck designs have some peacocks and many more leaf and flowers and many more printing tips and tricks. Look at this, same first you look at this, middle side of the back, center side one peacock right or one peacock left. Okay, and this 2 peacock on the back neck, and also look at this flowers and leaf. Look at this, and we are using lots of French knots on the back neck, and also sleeves and front neck, because French knot is a very unique concept, and also everyone wants French knots. So that's why we are adding in this blouse designs some French knots and some multicolor tiki, because multicolor tiki is a very new material, and also very unique. Look at this, we are start to stitching some thick zardozi load. It's called kora in my side. I know what is this in your side and your language. So in this my side, this material we call a green kora or gold kora. It's a thick zardozi and it's very unique and also very expensive. Look at this. This is also available in a maximum 5 to 6 colors like pink, green, red, white and gold and blue. Now we are using green color, and these blouse designs we are not using any other color. We are just using one light gold and one also green color, self green. But this blouse designs color was a little bit dark, and look at this green zardozi. It's I think looking a little bit light color, but no problem. It's good and also looking very good. And now we are on the back and cutting some big kora. Look at this. This is a thick kora, and also we are using this kora to make some flowers and some zardozi load. And you are seeing my previous video. You can see my previous video. We are using some zardozi, thick zardozi, also slim zardozi. It's called gold spring. But now we are using some new material. Okay. And also I have one more suggestion for you. If you are a beginner and you want to learn this work, so I think you join my classes. We're taking 1 month or 3 month classes. And if you join my 1 month classes, we will teach you some basics and a little bit pro. And if you join my 3 month classes, we are teaching you basic to pro between 3 months. And we are taking online classes every day 1 hour, morning 10 to 11 and week 6 days. Okay. And my teacher was a very experienced person, and yeah, she have maximum 10 to 12 years experience of these blouse designs and Aari work, and many more tips and tricks related to Aari work, like how to drawing your blouse designs and how to marking your blouse designs and many more things, guys. And now we are start to stitching some kora load. It's a very unique concept and you never seen before. You seen my lots of video. We are using some slim zardozi and making some slim zardozi load, but in this time we are using some new material. Look at this. And this needle not for a beginner, and this is a very serious suggestion for a beginner, because beginner if you new in this line and you have no idea how to put these are needles in your hand, and this needle was very smooth, not too much hard, so I think you will break this needle. So you used iron needle, same number with the same hooks. Okay, so now we are start to stitching tiki with both. Look at this. And these blouse designs 90% work are stitching work, and blouse designs have two categories. One is a sticking means fabric glue, fabricryl glue, and one is a stitching blouse. Also it's very little bit high in the price, because sticking work not taking too much time, but stitching work like zardozi and that type of work I'll show you now. And this is a very too much taking time work, and also it's a little bit high in the price, and but it's going long time. And this blouse designs also looking very gorgeous. And which blouse designs stitching with some zardozi and like French knots and many more things. So also this blouse designs looking very gorgeous. So I think if you plan to buy any blouse design, so I have one suggestion for you. You buy zardozi work. Zardozi is a very beautiful concept and also going very long time. Okay, so we are stitching same on the back neck, and look at this. We are divide the flower with the two colors. One is a self green and also one have a light gold, and needle is a normal gold, normal wooden 7 number, and this is not for beginner. Look at this. It's a very strong spring and very beautiful concept. That's why I'm using this type of material in these blouse designs. And these blouse designs material not available with easy, and you need to find this type of material in your site and your market. Okay, look at this. And this is a new sample blouse design I'm just making for you guys, because if I'll make some new work, some new blouse design, you also learn some new work. So that's why I'm making these blouse designs. Okay, and if you want to buy these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And also, if you don't understand my English, please forgive me, because I am new in English. My lots of family members not understand Hindi, good Hindi. So that's why I'm explain my work in English. So if I'm do any mistake, please forgive me like your a little brother. Okay, look at this. Now we are using a little bit. Now we are using some gold spring. Look at this spring, and look at this white, some light gold spring. Both are very different, and look at this. And we are fill this flower with the normal gold spring, and we are stitching all around around, and also fix these flowers. And also we are stitching some jerkin stand on this middle side. And look at this, my boy. And maximum in this boy, maximum 10 to 12 years experience to making that type of blouse designs. Very beautiful art, and also very beautiful, my boys. And look at this, guys. Now we are start stitching some French knots middle side of the flower. Look at this. And these French knots have a maximum 16 thread, 8 by 16 in a one side 8 thread. And if you do some double, so it's a 16 thread. Look at this. French knot is a very unique concept, and also it's a very attractive, and also taking too much time for making. Look at this. It's a very unique, and if you join my 3-month classes, we all teach you like this type of work, and also 3D and many more type of work. And blouse designs have a too much quality work, and if you want to learn this, maximum you need to too much time. And if you want to learn and start to business, I think 3-month classes enough for you. And look at this. Now we are stitching some tiki with both. Look at this. Tiki is a very beautiful and also very attractive, little bit cute material in this whole blouse designs. Look at this. And also look at these flowers on the top of the sleeves. And in these flowers we are using 2 sugar beads, and also 1 moti, and also 1 tiki. And if you look at this middle side of the flowers, we are using some 12 number jerkin stand, and also jerkins. And we are not sticking jerkin first. And also you if you make that type of blouse designs, you don't need to stitching stone jerkin stand and then you are sticking jerkins. You don't do this. Okay, first you are complete your blouse designs, in the end you sticking jerkins and many more extra equipments of what you need to improve your blouse designs and also look blouse designs. Okay, so now this is a final blouse designs look. Look at this work quality, and also look at this color combination, and also designs. And now we are on the back, and look at this back neck. It's a very beautiful blouse designs. And if you buy to and if you're interested to buy these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And we also have a sari collection, and you just tell me if possible you send your blouse piece in my address, and if not possible this, so you just tell me which color you want. And also I want your body measurement, because we are making these blouse designs according to your body measurement. Okay, so look at this flower, and this is a very beautiful blouse design. And please tell me how is my design, and how's my explanation quality. And if I'll do any mistake, please forgive me, guys, because I'll try my best. And I'm also doing too much hard work for you. And this blouse design was completed 2.5 days. So I'll make every videos for you guys, because you are doing so much love for me, and also you are doing so much support for me. Look at this French friend work, and this is a prince cut. And if you want prince cut and a cross cutting, we are making according to your choice. Okay, guys, and if you want to buy these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And if you want to join my classes, please do WhatsApp on the same number. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you.